I'm gonna show you how to add social media sites on your Facebook account so you can link to your YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. It's really easy to do. I'm gonna show you what kind of problems I was having at first. So when I logged on to Facebook and I go to my icon up here and I clicked on it, and when you go to the left, there's links right there. So I'm gonna show you what was happening when I try to go to Twitter. I was getting this error message. So I'm gonna go back and show you my YouTube. And I was getting this message right here on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this. It's really simple to do. First, you wanna go back and you wanna hit the edit. And then you go on down until you hit, see right here, you wanna hit edit. So keep only the information after the .com. As you can see what I'm doing right here on my Twitter and my YouTube. So anything after the .com, I kept it. So now I'm gonna save it. And you can hit F5 or just go back. And F5 is to refresh. So as you can see right here, I refreshed it. So now when I click it, this is what coming up. It works now. I don't know why they didn't tell us this, but you just have to trial and error. So let's try my YouTube now. So when I click on it, it works fine. So that's all you have to do. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and also click the like and share. Thank you and have a great day.